Walking into the Dior set is a little bit like walking into a protest.
To bring an unrealized work from the 70s of Judy Chicago to Paris in 2020 is a historic.
Je trouve ça et poétique et nécessaire.
Je trouve le set super. Il y a plein de couleurs, j'adore les couleurs, je trouve ça positif.
You know, the Dior sets are always incredible, but I have to say, even I'm a little bit shocked to be walking into a woman's womb today.
C'est toujours intéressant de parler du corps des femmes, que les femmes se réapproprient leur corps. Mais moi, ça me parle, je suis contente d'être dans le corps d'une femme, je me sens bien dans le corps.
Stunning, it was beautiful.
C'était magique, de beaucoup de douceur, des choses en lamé très belles, très fluides.
Such a wonderful combination of quiet power and strength and beauty and movement. You know, the flat shoes, just the momentum.
Otherworldly, feminine celebration of the goddess.
It was this union of time, of style, of history.
Really serene and beautiful and gentle. The way everything moved, the way everything was cut and draped.
My favorite was the suit with the cape because it made me think about putting on the power suit, but then you have the cape that's sort of like a superwoman.
Fantastic.